Hi everyone and welcome to a new video on the Geekanoids channel. I'm super excited to bring you this unboxing of something very different on the channel. This is the Elektron model samples. It's a 6-track sample-based groove box and I'm going to be unboxing it for you and having a first look. So let's just turn this over. On the back here, we've just got some text. It says compact in size, massive in sound. This easy to grasp 6-track sample-based groove box is perfect for entering the world of music making. Elektron superpowers, more accessible than ever. And in fact, this is the sort of easiest price point into the world of Elektron. Now, if you want to see why I've bought this, then please do subscribe to the channel. It will be featuring in future videos, including some of my live broadcasts. So here we go. This is what you get inside the box. Wow. It is nice and compact and looks really cool. Now before I take this out, I will just show you what's inside the lid space. A lot of people, when they were seeing the announcements about this particular machine or product, were saying how plain it looked. And at NAMM 2019, Elektron actually had this stickered up. And people were asking, I wonder if you're going to get the stickers inside the box. And you do. You get a whole sheet of stickers with various slogans and symbols on, and an alphabet, an A to Z as well, so you can actually make up your own words on this. Absolutely awesome. Love the fact that they've included that. Now we also get the model's sample, or model samples I should say, itself. So we'll take a closer look at that in a short while. And then we also get a little brown box, which is going to have the power supply inside. So what have we got here? We have got a MIDI adapter. I think this is a MIDI adapter. We've also got these are really nice cables as well. These are braided. So we've got micro USB to full size USB cable as well with a little cable tie. We've also got some safety instructions inside the box. And then in here it's going to be the power supply, no doubt. So we've got a couple of packs inside this section. One of them contains the power supply, so it's a multi-voltage power supply with a pin output on here to go in the back of the model samples. And then this is a selection of different size country adapters. So I'm in the UK, so I'm going to need the UK one, but we've got European, American, and another one in there as well, but this is the one I'm going to be using. And this just simply will snap on to here. I'm assuming you put this end in first and then it snaps into place. Probably not, done that wrong already. There we go. So that snaps into place like that on the power adapter. So now let's have a closer look at the actual unit itself. Very excited about this. Beautifully presented, really nicely packaged, very lightweight. Now it is primarily plastic, but it does feel quite cold. So I'm assuming for rigidity, it's probably got some sort of metal frame inside. And you can actually use the pre-loaded samples in here to create beats and tracks, or you can indeed load your own samples onto here. And then we've got various controls for controlling the little screen and menu system. We've got a pad menu, we've got a tap beats per minute button here as well, copy, clear, paste, function, a retrig menu, reload pattern, a clear alt and track menu. And then we've got swing, quantize, click and LFO setup. And then we've got these really nice controls, and these are rubberized, very nice feeling. And these are for making changes to the various sound, volume, resonance, delay, etc., reverb. We've got the main volume just here, which has got a bit of resistance to it. It's like a click as you turn this one round. All of the other ones are smooth. And then we've got our various tracks here, and then we've got the 16 steps in our sequence. If we take a look on the underside, we have got 2 strips on the bottom to actually stop this from slipping around on our desk or table. And then on the back section here, we've got the 5-volt DC 1 amp input for the power supply I showed you. We've also got micro USB, the model name there, MIDI out and through, MIDI in, which we use with that cable that's supplied inside the box. And then we've got left and right main output and also a headphones output as well. So I'm going to power this up. I'm not going to be able to give you an audio demo in this particular video, but I do just want to see that it powers up. So we're going to plug the power supply in here. So here we go. This is now got the power adapter plugged in, and the main on off button is actually by clicking the volume control. So we're going to click this on. We get the little display turn on here, and it says hello and shows you which track you're going to be working on. So that's it switched on. You can also see the BPM button just flashing away there as well. We've also got a page button here in the bottom right hand corner, and something else I noticed, and I'm not sure what these are for. I assume they're for maybe synchronizing this to other devices, but you can take these end caps out and we've got some sort of input or output on the end. At this stage I haven't read the instructions, so I'm not sure what that's for, but there is also another one on this end as well. So that is pretty much it for my unboxing and first look of the Elektron model samples. I'm super excited to actually have this in my arsenal of kit, and I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm going to use this in future videos. So please do subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, also smack that like button if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in another one very soon.